Hi guys, I'm in another video. Alright, let's see. Alright, I was just testing that out. Now let's go. Alright, this time I actually use my microphone for once. Part 4, let's go. Is this one sitting? Oh no, and there's no sheep around. Come on! That's so stupid. I can parkour on trees or something. Get more like wool. There's not even a village nearby too. Up here. It'll be laggy for you guys. I'm really sorry about that. I can't fix that. I don't really know even how to, but alright, let's just get into it. I actually made a chest up there for storage. There'll be more up there like that soon. I just need to get more string, and then there will be a time where I'll just get more wool. It's good to get a crafting table on me. Yes, I will make better tools, but I need the really fine iron, so. And just one more pickaxe will do. Use a stone axe. I like using, like, in Java Edition, man axes are the strongest tools. They might be a little bit slow, but they're very worth it to use. Like we're playing in Windows 10 edition or Bedrock edition, they're both the same. It's just Windows 10 is just Bedrock edition for like computers. It's swords that are the strongest, and they make axes weaker than a sword. That makes no sense at all. Like seriously. Well, they just want to put a sword in good use. But an axe is just sharp. Should be at iron level by now. Oh no, gravel. It's good we're on top of it. No torch. Alright, that's a problem actually. Sorry that this is really long, but you've seen my other Minecraft videos. I know they're also laggy too. I wish like you don't even need to pay for skins for Java Edition. Windows 10 Edition, same, but you only can do like one skin at a time. So that's really annoying. But hey, it's better than no skin. Let me see. It's good monsters are not around my area, even if they are. I just got I made the like hill. It kind of just protects me. I make torches out of just smelting this tree down. I have no coal. I hate that. Right, get that. Sorry, my other video, I didn't use my mic. Alright, I think we got everything. Where I'm living right now, recording, it's raining. Heavy. But, like, yeah. Just one of my windows, I just can't even see what's outside. It's just that bad. Right? Well, when that's going, I'll smelt this copper, but first I'll just do this. More trees to protect my area. Like, I'll put one right here. I'll actually move this so it can grow good. I hope all of them are just the exact same thing, just really big trees. Alright, that's all my saplings. Uh-oh, spider, spider, spider. Axe, axe, axe. Thank you for the string. How much? 2. That's good. I just made this because you actually have the crouch going through, and since mobs are stupid, they cannot go through. Only you have like a baby zombie, but who cares about those? 1, 2. I'll do that. I think that's enough torches. Well, I have no clue why I'm a sea skin, but I do not care. And I hate that. Jeez, this is long. I might widen this actually. Put a torch right here. This one's this episode's just all about mining. Really, my goal to get at least a piece of iron and gain iron tools. If I get that stuff, I'll be happy. Okay, it's kind of getting fun. I'm gonna use that layer once I get iron, enough of it. I can make another portal. Right, and just move down. Sorry, that's dark. I'll actually just make it light. Oh, yeah. Oh, finally something different than. One, 2, 3, 4. Just mine. My pickaxe is gonna break it. What? Oh, silverfish? No. This can't be anything. This can't be a sign of anything. Right? This is not. Am I near the end portal? Am I actually near the end portal? Because if I am, that'll be surprising. There is no way. I'll mine around this area, definitely. Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, I'm definitely gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yep, I know it. It's okay. My stuff won't despawn yet. I'll just grab it and make a run for it. I did not want to put on cheats. Make the game too easy. I've died a couple times. Oh, come on, please. Thank you. Oh wait, they just despawned. Oh. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's really stupid. Okay. Silverfish, my enemy. You're actually my new enemy now. In the game, you were fine once. Oh my gosh. Whoo! They just keep coming. They just keep coming. I don't want to keep dying in this. No more. Just let me play the game. Seriously, when did Mojang just do this? Like, I know they have infected stone, but this just don't mind anything yet. I do not feel safe. The only thing I should be mining is this copper. The only thing good is the silverfish actually just gave me this. And this is not infected. Whew. That's good they only make it for stone. And like other stone things. It just doesn't seem right. Like, seriously. Why are they called silverfish when they're not even fish? You notice that? Alright, I'll just do this, watch. One, there. I'll just find. Okay. Okie dokie. I knew it. Aha, stupid. Oh, you tried to get up. Oh, yeah. Elliot, both died. Never know when they're gonna come. Oh, I don't want to be attacked by silverfish no more. I hope I get infected stone. Let's go! Let's actually go! Finally! Something good. Woo! Wow. At first, I think, yeah, nothing. Alright, it's just one direction. That's good. Woo-wee! We got a cave. No. We don't? Oh my gosh. What's the whole point of even having this here? I thought we were actually gonna get something good. We just got crap instead. But dirt, though. I wonder why just dirt's so deep underground in Minecraft. It just doesn't seem right. I've not got a single piece of iron yet. Oh! Right when I just say it, look at this, guys! Woo! Alright. Finally. Oh, yes. I feel stronger. Did I get everything? Nope, I did not get everything. Look around. Nope. I don't need this anymore. How much iron? 6 pieces. It's enough for 2 pickaxes. Or just an axe and a pickaxe. Yes, I'll get armor in the future. But I just need that. I just need to, like, wait until I get enough iron. So this must be iron level. If I just found some. I can just keep mining straight. Mining. I like how it's just in the name Minecraft. Why should I directly hit on?